Hi, welcome to your Degree Planner. In this video, you will learn how to use Degree Planner in order to help you plan your class schedule, as well as making sure that you are on track for graduation. Let's get started. In order to get started, you first have to go to our homepage at calcitla.edu. Once there, click on My CalCitLA. It will then ask you to log in, so enter your username and password and hit Login. Once you click on Get, it will take you to the main menu where you can select Self-Service and then Student Center. It will take you to your Student Center where you can then click on Degree Planner. Once you click on Degree Planner, it will take you to a page where it asks for you to choose your option or concentration. If you're not sure which option you want to follow, you can click on I'm not ready to choose yet, and then hit OK. Whether you just chose an option or you already have an option selected, it will then take you to this page where you can click OK and it will generate a degree plan for you. Degree Planner gives you an overview of how many units you need to complete in order to meet your degree requirements. Remember that most degrees require 120 units of coursework. This includes major requirements, general education, and foundation courses. Sometimes that includes free electives in order to meet the 120 units. This would also show you what classes you have completed, in progress, or planned. Hit Continue. Degree Planner is designed to help you find a pathway of classes that would allow you to complete all 120 units of your degree in 4 years, but you can always make adjustments. With Degree Planner, you can adjust your semester target units to be higher or lower than 15. But remember, you should average 30 units a year if you want to finish in 4 years. Click on Edit Preferences so you can make the changes. By default, Degree Planner sets all students to 15 units per semester. But if you decide that you don't want to take 15 units, go ahead and make the changes. In this case, we're going to switch it to 12 units. Then go ahead and click on the plus sign to add a different session that's going to allow you to make up for those units. In this case, we're adding a summer session. Enter the 6 units, which would average out 30 units per year. Then hit OK. Once you have made your selection, Degree Planner will go ahead and rearrange your plan based on your new selection. Any course that you see that has a clock next to it means that it is a critical course. Be sure to take courses labeled as critical in the suggested semester whenever possible. Delaying those courses may not only slow your degree progress, it may also make it much harder to complete your major-specific criteria coursework if you are in a pre-major. Sometimes Degree Planner will offer you a choice of courses. Press Select to pick a class that meets a requirement you still need to fulfill. Degree Planner will offer you choices that fulfill these requirements. Make sure to hit Select. It will give you the choices you have for that area. This is also a great way to read the course description before making a choice. Make sure to hit Select once you have made your choice. It will then add it to your Degree Planner. If you're not able to take the courses the way that Degree Planner has it, click on Arrange My Plan. You can drag and drop a course from one semester to another. Maybe you don't want to take both GE American Institution classes the same semester. By choosing Arrange My Plan, you can drag and drop courses from one semester to another. But be careful about moving critical classes. Make sure that after you drag and drop courses that you're still on track to meet your graduation goals. You will receive an error message if you move a course where it's not supposed to be. Once you have selected all the courses that you would like to take for that semester, you can go ahead and move them to your Schedule Planner. You can do this by scrolling up and clicking on Schedule Planner. This will open a new window. On there, make sure to click on Open Schedule Planner. In order for this to work, you do have to allow for pop-up windows. Schedule Planner page is going to ask you to select the term for which you are registering for. Make sure to select the correct one and then hit Save and Continue. It will then show you a blue box that says click here to load them into your course list. This will move your Degree Planner courses over to your Schedule Planner. You can also add breaks if needed. Once you have selected the courses you'd like to take and added breaks, you can click on Generate Schedules. It will give you different options and pick the one that's best for you. Then upload it to your cart. We hope this information was helpful, but if you have any questions, please go to our website and find out how you can make an appointment with an advisor.